Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can select multiple work orders and can create a production process. So in case of make to order, once you go ahead and create an order confirmation, work order get created. Your production people can go ahead and convert those work order into production process and then after again start the production. How you can do so? Let us go to our production module, click on browse modules, click on production module. Now, this is the production control center. Here you will see all production process, work order and subcontract. So you need to come to the work order. So please check, once I come in work order, there are list of OCs which are created along with all the materials which are into OC. So suppose this is one of my material, then after this is one of my material. Now how I can go ahead and create a production process? You can enlarge the page number so that you may be able to go ahead and select multiple as well. So suppose I selected 3 of the items for which I want to go ahead and start the production process. How we can do so? On your right hand side you will see an option of start 3 process. Also on your right hand side you will see an option of delete option as well. Suppose if by any chance production don't need to be started, you can click on the delete and then after you can delete those processes. Now here I want to create the process. How I can do it? Click on start 3 process. Now please check, once I clicked on start 3 process, bill of material is required to go ahead and start any process. So on 2 of my items, bill of material is created. So it provided me an option of bill of material. I can go ahead and select it. But on one of my item, bill of material is not available. So I need to create a bill of material first and then after I can go ahead and start the process. So suppose right now I don't have the bill of material, so I will just remove it. I can go ahead and create a process for this. I can click here, I can go ahead and make changes and can create partial quantity as well. So you just need to remove the mark complete, click on create process. Once I clicked on create process, please check these processes are created. I can check it in the all production process. If I will go back in the work order list, please check here, you can see the balance quantity. Please check. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and manage your work order, create process and delete it. Have a good day ahead.